Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nordabila binti Rashdan and my matrix number is 197662. I'm from Faculty of Biotechnology and Biomolecular Sciences. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the university education and individual environmental awareness. University education on environmental teach individuals to explore the environmental issues, engage in problem solving, and also take action in improving the environment. Higher education on the environment consists of four things. Firstly, awareness and sensitivity to the environment. Secondly, knowledge and understanding of the environment. Thirdly, skills and attitudes of concern to maintain and increase the environmental quality. And lastly, the participation of the individuals in activities related to resolution of environmental challenge. University education of the environmental plays a very critical but often overlooked role in creating a sustainable future. It can be seen that many NGOs and also other parties have started to transform the education at all levels to envision a sustainable future. Despite the efforts, higher education of the environmental is not a high priority. Indeed, it is the people graduates from the best university are leading us down the current unhealthy, inequitable, and also unsustainable path. Higher education is generally organized into highly specialized areas of knowledge. Much of higher education stresses individuals on learning and competition, resulting in professionals who are ill-prepared and no concerns about the environmental health and issues. As a result, much higher education curriculum tend not to ask students to challenge the following common assumption, such as humans are a dominant species on the earth and separate from the rest of the nature. They also think that resources are free and will last forever. And lastly, we always believe that technology will solve most of the society's problems. Nowadays, the environmental education has started to be seen as one of the important things to explore and learn, especially in the university level, since it prepares the students to develop, manage, to teach, and also work in the environmental studies and even professions. As we all know, most professions and studies are having to be related to the nature. Higher environmental education connects us, especially the students, to the world around us and teaching us about both natural and built environments. It also raises the awareness of issues that impact the environment, which all of us are depending on, as well as actions that we can take to improve and sustain it. The environmental education on higher level can be regarded as interesting or fun, since nature can be brought to the classroom. Students also can learn outside the classroom, and many projects or activities can be done with the nature. This will bring many benefits not only to the student but also to the educators, to schools and the society, as they can see the importance of the individual environmental awareness. Individual environmental awareness is an integral part of environmentalism, which is an ideology that evokes the actions, necessities, and also responsibilities of humans to respect, protect, and also preserve the natural world from its anthropogenic afflictions, which is caused by the human. There are a lot of threats to the environment, which are climate change caused by greenhouse gases, air and water pollution, deforestation, and also many others. These issues have made the earth changing. Many habitats are destroyed and animals are also facing extinction. We don't even care, and when these animals are facing extinction, only then we start to care. We always ask, can anyone do anything about all of this? Of course, every person has to make his or her own choices in protecting the environment, since all of us have created these problems whether we realize it or not by neglecting the environment. So all of us must fix it and protecting and also preserve the world. There are many things that we as individuals can do. Firstly, we can carpool, walk, take the bus, or even ride the bike instead of driving, because this can cut down the greenhouse gases emission, which is harmful not only to the environment but also to us humans. For example, in UPM, in order to achieve greenhouse campus, they have provided buses for students to go to the class and decrease the use of motorcycles and cars, which release carbon dioxide and other gases to the air. There are also we can also buy reusable products such as bottles, reusable bags, and cups. We should avoid buying paper towels, plastic bottles, and also plastic bag, which is not good to the environment. Reusable products are better since it can be used again and again. We can also save money. And also lastly, we should start recycling, because it can help cut down our waste production and slows down the rate of sustained energy consumption. For example, if there are any plastic bottles at home, we can recycle it into new item like pencil holder, since nowadays there are many DIY projects that we can do to recycling materials. In conclusion, there are many things that we can do to save the earth. It is up to us whether to do it or not. So take this chance to start care about our place that we are living in, since there will be other generations that will replace us to enjoy and also feel the beauty of the nature. That's all. Thank you.